Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we're going to do the long-awaited box window DIY. So if you want to see how I created this whole window, then just continue to watch. Guys, I'm going to jump right in with everything because we don't have that much time in between frames. So you're going to need several things. You're going to need some, what you call that stuff? Molding. You're going to need some wood glue. You're going to need nails or staple gun. So I'm giving you the measurement. So first you need to do the measurement from the ceiling to the top of the window, and then you need to do the width of the window frame. Then you need to do from the corner to the window frame, the length of the window, the ledge of the window width and height, and the space between the window and the bed or whatever object you are trying to center it on. So this is what I mean. You saw that rectangle right there. Now in this clip I am just trying to make sure that all my cuts are the correct measurements and everything. So I'm just going to make sure that all my measurements are right, and then I will be back. I would love for you to become a part of the Design on the Dollar family. You can do that by hitting the red subscribe button and then hitting the post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. Then I would love for you to like this video by giving it a big thumbs up, and finally share this video and our channel so that we can continue to grow. So now I have my measurements and I'm happy to know that everything is going to fit together. Now this is not going to look like a typical window just by having the frame up. What it's going to be when the curtains and everything are up. So I'm giving you two options. You can use the wood glue, or you can use the staple gun or nail gun mix. I'm going to use both. I'm going to use both the wood glue and the stapler. And this is a Stanley stapler. It does staples as well as nails, and I got it from Lowe's. And it works very well, guys. It went through the molding and the wall very well, so it's a good thing. So now I'm down at the bottom and I'm going to try this for the first time. I'm telling you to make sure it's turned off before you plug it in, and then I'm going to proceed to put the length and width of the bottom of. I'm going to build a frame. I'm going to start building the frame, guys. So that's what I want to do. You're going to see me staple the bottom, staple the sides, and so I'm going to just let you see me build a frame, and then I'll come back and explain some other things to you. See, I'm happy I got it. Tell you this is really a two-person job because you're going to see me struggling to put it together, but I managed it. But if you can get some assistance with putting this together, it'll go a lot faster. You have someone to hold the molding while you actually do the hard work with the power tools, young ladies. But yes, try to get some help, because as you can see right here, I'm trying to put up the sides, and I can't give you the exact measurements of mine because everybody's windows is different, and so your size window may be different from mine. That's why I gave you the places that you need to measure from. So yeah, try to get two people to help with that. And I'm showing you right here that as far as the ledge is concerned, I didn't equip or measure for the ledge. You'll see what I mean in a few minutes. So the framing is going to be off a little bit, but you won't even be able to tell once the blinds are up and the curtains are up. You won't be able to see pretty much anything. You really could have just put up the curtains and the blinds and skip this part right here, but me being a overachiever, I wanted to try to do this so if someone lift the blinds, it won't just be a blank wall there. So yeah guys, I'm gonna let you finish watching this, and if y'all have any questions about it, please leave it down in the description box, because I did lose a couple of footage of me actually putting the blinds on. But you put the blinds on the exact same way you would if it was a regular window. You butt it up against both sides of the window frame. Okay guys, right here, this is where I told you I didn't account for the ledge. So I had to put a piece of thin wood there to do a makeshift ledge, so when the blinds come down, it will sit up there. It's a little messy, but it's okay. It's with wood glue, and like I said, you won't be able to see any of this once everything is put together. But my glue is still drying, so I put tape on it, and after the glue finishes, you can just peel the glue that's on the white part right off. Now I'm gonna put the top of the frame up, and after the top of the frame is finished, you will see me put the blinds in. This is where I lost some footage at. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers. So as you can see, I removed the tape and I'm taking off the excess glue. And also there was some scuffs in the wall, but don't worry about it, you won't be able to see. And see, I'm just showing you right here, you mount the blinds the same way you would if it was a real window. So I lost that footage of me actually putting the blinds up, but as you can see, that hammer is there to until everything dries completely, so everything could dry in place. But as you can see, guys, we have ourselves a window, and I'm going to show you how it's lit up during the daytime, and you can also use it for a night light in the nighttime as well. So guys, I truly hope that you was inspired to pick up some power tools and do this DIY yourself, you ladies. So if you like I said, if you have any questions, please leave it down in the description box, and remember to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And I'm showing you the LED lights that I lit the window up with, and now you're going to see the finished product. So I'll talk to you guys later. Take this opportunity to hit the like button and then click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from us. And guys, I would truly love for you to join the Design on the Dollars family. Just hit that subscribe button. Remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And when I tell you this, guys, I truly, truly, truly mean it.